How to create a URL link for a PDF document. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then click on Google Apps located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on Drive. After that, sign into your Drive and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on New located at top left, and then you will find Upload File option. Click on File Upload and then select the PDF you want to create link of. After you have uploaded that, right click on the PDF you just added on your drive, and then you'll find Share option. Click on it and then click on Copy Link. After you have clicked on Copy Link, your link is done. You can simply paste the link anywhere and the link will open the PDF. This is how to create a URL link for a PDF document. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.